And so, will we get any rain anywhere around New Mexico? Let's check in with Mike Hernandez. He's out on the patio.
We're not going to get any rain here. It looks like it's going to stay pretty dry for us and starting to get hot. And again, we're seeing some nice mild temperatures to start the day, but they just ramp right up as we go through the afternoon. So 63 officially at the Sunport, and again, sunshine, blue skies to start the day, and the winds are light right now. And right now they're out of the east and southeast. Some 60s and some 70s are for our current readings down south, but we're also seeing some 50s and 40s from Santa Fe all the way back into the North Mountains and west towards Gallup and Grants and into the Four Corners as well. So a little cooler, and I think that is just another indication that things are starting to change, especially out in the west and northwest. Now, for us, it's the same old deal. 70s by 9 o'clock, mid-80s by noon, and then mid-90s for the high today. Partly cloudy skies and no rain chances in the forecast for your Wednesday here. Now, the storms are continuing to track off to the east. We got super nasty storms across the northeast and east yesterday during the afternoon. Matter of fact, even down south near Roswell and coming off the Sacramento Mountains, there was some reports of some hail there. But there was also a tornado that touched down about 10 miles west of Roy during the afternoon. I don't know of any damage, and I don't think it went through the city, but it did have multiple touchdowns, I understand. And then there was up to 1 3/4 inch size hail report coming off, let's say, Mora, San Juan area, and all that has continued to push on off to the north and east. Matter of fact, you can see those storms developing across Oklahoma and across Kansas, and that's the same area that came through us. And there's another look. Only spot showers that are showing up are down in the southeast, and they're not holding together right now. So pretty quiet all in all as we go through the next few hours. Now, later on this afternoon, I think we could see an isolated storm across the northeast and east, but not as active as yesterday, and still real dry from the central mountain chains back to the west, Gallup, Grants, Four Corners, and back into the southwest. And the overall picture is one with little change. We're going to stay on the dry side for the next few days. High pressure's moving on in. We'll see another front that's going to roll in the eastern part of the state come Thursday night and Friday. Now, that may produce some more severe weather for the east. But for us, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday are our next chance of even an inkling of some monsoon flow. So the monsoons really have kind of disappeared for now. As far as your 7-day outlooks, looking for temperatures for Santa Fe to remain in the 80s and 90s all the way into the weekend. And for the metro area, mid-90s today, low to mid-90s for the rest of the work week. And into the weekend, it's low 90s. Dry for now. Sunday, maybe a little bit of a storm or two. And then Monday, Tuesday, it tries to pick up again. So that's the latest out here from the KRQE Home Depot Weather Patio. And now back to Deanna.
Okay, thanks a lot, Mike.